Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 5th, our word of the day is roguery. R-O-G-U-E-R-Y. Roguery. Roguery is a 7-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Roguery means reckless or malicious behavior that causes discomfort or annoyance in others. Similar words include antic, caper, capriccio, dido, escapade, frolic, gag, jest, mischief, devilment, rascality, villainy. Examples of sentences using roguery are: Ms. Adams caught Tommy dipping Sally's pigtail in his inkwell and gave him detention for his roguery. This of course smacks of last-minute pre-election roguery. I just love a guy with a bit of roguery about him. There was no doubt that his handsome roguery had caught the woman's fancy. The old fraternity brothers fondly recounted how their roguery used to rile the dean. You see, part of the immense appeal of the film to me as a child was the sheer roguery of its antihero. Make sure to save this new word, roguery, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.